the Games Coordinator for the 37th Annual Alaskan Scottish Highland Games. So the Alaskan Scottish Club is the presenter of the Scottish Highland Games, and we're a nonprofit organization. We have heavy athletics, which include the caber, which a lot of people think of as the light pole or the tree pole that you throw, Scottish bagpipes and drumming. We are bringing up a band this year called the Fire, which is a Scottish band. We actually got some grants, and through those grants, they're actually going to be doing a tour of Alaska. So not only will they be playing at our games, they will also be doing some free workshops in Anchorage, free workshops in Talkeetna, and free workshops in Homer. We're actually bringing up a genealogist this year. Typically, we bring up professional male athletes to compete. This year, we're changing it up, and we're actually bringing 6 of the top elite women throwers in the world to compete on our field. We're having the last kiters come and do some kite flying over the event. And they're actually going to be flying some of the Scottish flags and banners. We also are bringing back Rogues and Winches. They used to play at our game a lot. They're a local Anchorage band. And we also have a Scotch tasting event. And we have an educational session where you actually sit down with someone who's going to teach you about the different types of Scotch and where they come from. And you get 5 different tastes during that session. And then we have a general tasting session where there's, I think there's 12 bottles of Scotch that you get 5 tastes of. We're on both Facebook and Instagram. When you're a sponsor of the games, you get access to our VIP tent, and the VIP tent has complimentary beer and wine, along with complimentary food. It's obviously not required, but it's pretty fun to wear a kilt to the games, and what a better excuse to wear a kilt. Tickets are online right now on eventbrite.com. We also have tickets for sale at Celtic Treasures in Anchorage, and the Bookshelf in Eagle River, and Fireside Books in Palmer. So children 0 to 5 are free. 5 to 17 is $5, and then adults advance are $13, and at the gate it's $15. At the gate it's $13 still for military and seniors. We're also offering a family pack ticket this year, which is 2 adults and 2 kids for $35.